Welcome. Let's discuss crypto bot trading today. Crypto bot trading, as of date, is the most effective system of earning good and regular profits with minimum risk. Why we say that it is the most effective system for earning good profits and regular profits with minimum risk? That is what we will discuss in details. So please listen to the video completely, go through the video completely. Let's move on. So first of all, why crypto bot trading? Okay, so crypto trading is definitely an in thing. Everybody is attracted to crypto. Everybody knows the potential of crypto, and everybody feels that crypto trading has got a lot of potential. But then this is a very volatile market. It's a 24/7 market. It is not possible to trade manually here. It is very difficult to catch opportunities through manual trading. If you are trying to do the trading through manual order management in crypto trading, then you will lose your sleep and it will be very difficult for you to manage everything. And then of course there are emotions. So in such a volatile market, it is very difficult to control your emotions. Some movement here and there in the market, and most of the traders can make mistakes. So overcoming the emotions is also quite difficult. And of course, when you are trading manually, you are not taking advantage or benefit of the artificial intelligence. Today, because of technology, there are a lot of good solutions available. Through artificial intelligence, we can actually derive great outputs, which means in this case, great profits is possible by use of artificial intelligence. And then, of course, peace of mind. If you want some peace of mind along with the trading profits, then crypto bot trading is something that is to be used. Through crypto bot trading, you can tackle a 24/7 volatile market. You can catch the opportunities properly. Of course, you can overcome your emotions. Bot has no emotions. As per the settings, it will do the order execution, and you are taking benefit of artificial intelligence. And then, of course, at the end of the day, you will have peace of mind. So that is why I personally recommend that for crypto trading, bot trading is the way to go. I'm personally involved in the cryptocurrency trading since 2016. It's almost 7 years now. And in the initial 3-4 years, when there was bot trading was not very prominent, there was a lot of struggle as to how to manage the orders and how to basically get into proper opportunities. So since I started using bot trading since last 2.5 years or so, it's been quite effective, and with good peace of mind, we have been able to trade into this crypto market with good profits and good risk management. So net bot trading is the way to go for crypto trading. So let's move on now. Now, crypto bot trading is an in thing. Everybody will understands and accepts that bot trading is the way to address or way to work in the crypto industry. But in which bot to use? There are a lot of bots available in the market. A lot of them are good. A lot of them are bad. A lot of them are having economic cost structure. A lot of them are having a very costly structure. So not every bot is good. You have to select the bot very carefully and with a lot of study. I have myself personally evaluated at least a dozen bots in last 2.5-3 years, and used at least 5-6 out of them. And in my entire experience of using a dozen odd bots, I have found that this RoyalQ bot is something really, really good and really effective. So what is a RoyalQ bot? RoyalQ bot is an intelligent bot, works on artificial intelligence, and is designed for crypto trading, dedicated for crypto trading. It has got inbuilt quantitative trading strategies which you can use. If you're a newbie and if you don't understand how to create strategies, etc., you can use the default strategies, or you can also create your own strategies and trade in the favorite coins. Whatever coins are favorite of yours. Typically, people like BTC, Ethereum, Matic, BNB, Binance Coin, AVAX, Sol, Dot, Mana. The list is long, but then the point is that you can use inbuilt strategies, or you can create your own quantitative strategies and trade in the favorite coins, or you can create a combination of inbuilt strategies and your own strategies. So every flexibility is there. The bot is giving you complete flexibility and control as to how to use it. So why RoyalQ bot? let's talk about that. So it's a feature-rich bot. I mean, the kind of features which are available in the RoyalQ bot, the trading granularity which is there, the fine details about the settings, facilities which are there. I mean, it is there in very less bots. And as a trader, I will tell you, it's a trader's delight. If you are a cryptocurrency trader, you cannot miss RoyalQ bot. You must definitely go for it. It's absolutely a trader's delight. That much I can tell you for sure. It's very user friendly. Anybody who is new to crypto trading or bot trading can get used to it in 2-3 days. Very simple to use. It's very accurate. Whatever settings you do, as per the settings, it is going to take the trades and orders will be executed. From the charges point of view, of course, it's not free of cost. Such a wonderful bot will not be available free of cost. It has got charges, but the charges are quite economic, and we'll talk about that in the coming slides. Using the RoyalQ bot, the strategies that you can build on the RoyalQ bot, you can get very good returns. When I say very good returns, in a bull run, you can expect like 30-40% monthly return also. In a bearish market also, you can expect 5 to 10% monthly returns in dollar terms. So anywhere between 5 to 15% monthly returns you can expect with very little risk. Why we say little risk, we'll talk about that. Your funds are safe when you are using the RoyalQ bot, because it's the safety of the funds is very important. The bot doesn't have any withdrawal right. Bot cannot do any withdrawal. Bot can do only trading in your account. Bot can do only buying and selling in your account, which means your funds are safe from the bot perspective. And on top of that, I will say cherry on the top, it has got a good affiliate income opportunity also. Of course, you will get your trading income as per your strategies and as per your fund. You will get the trading income, whatever your objective is from the trading income point of view. But you also have the option of going for affiliate income opportunity, which is also quite handsome. We'll talk about that in detail in some other video, but at this point of time, just remember that the affiliate income opportunity is also there. Again, some more features about the RoyalQ bot. It does trading in only spot. When I say spot, it doesn't do any margin trading or derivative trading or options trading. It will be doing trading only in spot. That is, it will buy and sell the coins. It will only buy and then sell the coins. There is no short selling, etc. So that itself takes care of risk to a good extent. Now, a lot of traders might say that we want futures trading and all that. So that is fine. If you are a very expert trader, it's okay. But most of the people are not really expert traders. And spot trading itself is quite good, because cryptocurrency market, there is a lot of volatility. 5%, 10%, 20% movements in the market are very common. And using only spot trading also, you can generate really good monthly returns. And if you are doing only spot trading, there is very good risk management, because in spot trading, most of the times you will make profit. Sometimes your portfolio can go down, but it will recover. Your portfolio will never become zero, or it will never get liquidated. In futures trading or in margin trading or your option trading, your portfolio can become zero, it can get liquidated. Whereas here, because of the basic setup that you will be doing only spot trading, risk management is taken care of. Another very good feature is that RoyalQ bot itself decides the 72 top cryptocurrencies in which the trading is possible. All the top cryptocurrencies, basis their market cap, basis their liquidity, basis their volatility, and basis their fundamentals. Top cryptocurrencies are selected by RoyalQ bot, and only in those 72 top cryptocurrencies the trading is allowed, which itself also avoids trading in the risky coins, because cryptocurrency has got today more than 15,000 different coins, and dozens and hundreds of coins are getting added almost every day. So it is very difficult for a newbie or a noob to understand in what coins to trade. So that uh, problem is already solved by RoyalQ bot. It has already selected 72 top cryptocurrencies, and in only those top cryptocurrencies you can trade. I mean, it has got all the good currencies which are there, like of course BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Mana, Matic, Dot, etc. I mean, all the good currencies are there, and this list is periodically revisited also if required. They add some new coins, and they can also remove some new coins. But net very important is that they have already a selected curated list of cryptocurrencies. So again, a good risk management practice. Which cryptocurrency exchanges does it support? It supports Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi. So we all know in the cryptocurrency market, Binance Coinbase and Huobi are the top exchanges, and these exchanges are supported by the RoyalQ bot. You can connect to these exchanges through API and execute your trades. Binance is the most recommended one. Obviously, Binance is most safe. It has got excellent safety features. It has got all the good trading pairs, best trading pairs. It has got very good volume and liquidity. And along with that, it has got the lowest fees. The fees that Binance charges is very less compared to Coinbase or Huobi. Some people try to use exchanges like eToro, etc., for their cryptocurrency trading, which is a very bad idea because platforms like eToro, they have very bad spreads and they charge very heavy fees. So it's absolutely a no-no. If you want to trade cryptocurrency, trade on Binance or Coinbase or Huobi. Don't trade on useless platforms like eToro, etc. Okay. So point is, RoyalQ support the top exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, and Huobi. Recommended one basis their features and qualities, Binance. How RoyalQ works? To give a general example, like for example, people in India, they use something called as UPI. So what UPI does, let's say you are using Google Pay. So Google Pay connects to your bank account. Let's say you have an account in ICICI Bank in India. So Google Pay connects to your ICICI Bank account, and from your ICICI Bank account, it is able to transfer fund, etc., with your permission. So there is an interface or there is a connection between your bank account and Google Pay. In a similar manner, there is a connection between your cryptocurrency exchange and RoyalQ bot, which is called as API in the technical terminology. API is application programming interface. So using the application programming interface, RoyalQ is able to place buy sell orders in your cryptocurrency exchange in your Binance account. It doesn't have any permission to transfer or withdraw funds from your account. So your fund safety is taken care of, where at the same time, the bot is able to execute the orders, the bot is able to do the trades. Okay, so I mentioned that RoyalQ bot is able to give you very good profits, okay, in a consistent manner, in a regular manner with good risk management. So how that is possible? So for that, RoyalQ uses certain trading strategies. So let us talk about those trading strategies. Trading strategies are quantitative trading, involve quantitative trading with low risk and high returns. And as I mentioned earlier, it is doing only spot trading. So the main part of the trading strategy is dollar cost averaging, but the dollar cost averaging is done in a very, very intelligent manner and in a very dynamic manner. And I mean, the dollar cost averaging simply means that you are buying something at a lower price and trying to sell it at a higher price. And the cycle, if you work in a cycle manner, if you do continuously swing trading, you are able to generate a decent profit. So here I would like to show you the app and the actual settings, how the settings are done and how the trading actually is, how the trading actually takes place using the bot. So let's take a look at the bot itself. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. Okay, so friends, this is a live RoyalQ account wherein you can see the trades, live trades which are going on. Obviously, cryptocurrency market itself is quite down currently, so the trades are down. But even in the downtrend and even when the trades are down, still it is able to book profit. How that profit booking is happening, that also I will show you. But before that, I would like to show you the settings, how the settings are done. Let's take a look at the settings for Matic here. So there are these various features available in this bot. Okay, so let's go to the features one by one. So there is something called as first buying amount. Now, what is first buying amount? Here you can define the minimum order value or the minimum value with which it is going to start buying. Then there is something called as margin call limit. So this you can set everything, you can configure as per your choice. This 15, I just put it 15 for demo purpose. You can, as per your funds, you can put 15, 30, 45, 100, 500,000. There is no limit. According to your funds, you can define that. Margin call limit is 12, which is set here. Now this can be again changed as per your choice. So what this means is that how many times it is going to do the buying or cost averaging. So here it is 12. Whole position take profit ratio. You can define your profit ratio, how much profit you want to go for. So you can, for swing trading in the current bearish market, we are using 1%. If the market is bullish, you can keep it 3% or 6% also. Whole position take profit callback. This is trailing stop loss. In case you want to use trailing stop loss, that facility is also there. Margin configuration. Now, this is the most interesting part. If you can see here, we are using a very intelligent margin configuration here. Margin configuration in the sense, this means at what drops the buying will be done and in how much multiple. So first buying is going to happen at 3% drop and the multiple is 0.6, which means if your first buying amount is 15, the first after a drop of 3%, if you start with $100, for example, price is $100 and there is a drop of 3%, let's say price goes to 97, so there will be a buy of $9 in your account. Similarly, if the price goes further down by 3%, that is 3% from 97, there will be another buy of 0.6, and if the price goes to third call, that is 9%. So effectively we are talking about a 15% drop from the start. Now the 15% drop is significant drop, so here we are going to buy a slightly higher amount. So here the multiple is 1.5 times. So what it means is that if your starting amount is $15, 1.5 multiple means there will be a purchase of $22.5. So if the coin value is going down, we are basically at a lower level. We are intelligently buying slightly higher quantity. But if it is going further down, then we are going to slow down. We are going to slow down the buying. Again, we'll come back to 0.6, 0.6. And if there is a further drop, there is a significant drop, then we will buy a significantly higher quantity. Here we'll go for 3 times. So on and so forth. If you see here, we are using 339 combination, 0.6, 0.6, 1.5, 0.6, 0.6, 3. At a significantly lower level, we are doing a higher buying. Again, we are using the same combination, and at the very bottom, what we are going to do is that we are going to buy 3 times at a, again, lowest level. Now, if you see this configuration is basically taking care of a drop of up to 50%. So if you are starting buying from $100, even if your coin goes down up to $50, still the buying will continue, and at intelligently at various levels in a dynamic manner, the buying will happen. Okay. And another part is that it will keep on buying if the market is going down. At the same time, it will keep on selling also if the market is going higher. So what it means is that, let's say third call is triggered and it does a buy at 9% drop, and if the market recovers, then as whatever it had bought at this 9% level will be sold also. So how that works, I will show you in the live example. So let's look at the transaction record here. Let's look at the buying pattern. So it started buying at 2.44 per Matic. The date was 17th. Okay, market kept on going down. So again, it bought $10. So it started with $15. Then, as per the 0.6 formula, it bought for $10. Again, it bought for $10. Here it bought for 1.5, that is 22.39. So you can see how accurately the bot is following the setting. Again, we have slowed down from $22. We have come back to $10. Here, if you can see, intelligently, as we had put 3 times buy here at the lowest level. So at this lowest level, we have done a buying of 3 times, which is $45. So look at the beauty of this setting. Earlier, we are doing only $10. And here we did a buying of $45. And obviously, our average costing came down and it was able to book profit as per the setting. There was a profit target of 3.3%. And it booked profit here. And it booked profit in a subsell manner. Subsell means whatever lots it had bought in the internal stages, or at the 5th level or 6th level, that much quantity it has sold. So it bought here 24.6 quantity. So it has sold 24.6 quantity. It has not sold the entire quantity. So that is why it is called a sub-sale. If it is selling the whole quantity, then it will be just called as a sale. Like here, if we saw here, this was a sale. Sale means the entire quantity was sold, whatever was bought was sold. Whereas sub-sale means only a part of your holding is sold. So that is called a sub-sale. And now this cycle is continuing. If we see here, this is on 21st, it did a sub-sale. Again, it bought. Again, it is selling. Again, there were further drops. So it bought 2 times. Again, it has sold. Again, there were 2 drops. Again, it has sold. So this cycle will continue. This cycle will continue. And with this kind of continuous cycle, buying and selling cycle, you are able to book the regular profits. And I'm showing you the examples in a bearish market, when the cryptocurrency market currently is quite bearish, we all know, and still it is able to generate these beautiful profits. There is another very interesting, there are a lot of more interesting features here. I may not be able to cover everything in detail because I would like to keep the video short also. One important feature is there is something called a stop margin call. What stop margin call does is that it will stop the buying, but at the same time it will continue to sell. What does it mean? Now, if you see the status here, status stop margin call means it has stopped buying. It will not buy further till the time you enable buying, but it will continue to sell. Take profit trigger price 1.73. Current price is 1.58. If the price goes to 1.73, it will sell the sub-lot quantity, but it will not buy. If let's say if the price is going to 1.4 or 1.2 or $1 and you want to stop the buying, you have that facility, just one click and the buying is stopped. Just one click and the buying will again open. If you see here, now earlier it was status stop margin call. Now the status is call margin trigger price 1.5. If the price goes to 1.5, it will do the buying and the cycle will continue. So these are the beautiful facilities which are available here. So there is in the trading strategy, there is something called as sub-bin mode. So if you can see here, 5th call, 6th call, 7th call, 8th call. So these are the various levels it is going to buy and sell. There is something called a strategy mode here. So if you select sub-bin real-time settlement, in lots it will keep on buying and selling. So this is how the setting is done. And I showed you the actual live transactions also, how the transactions are happening and how the buying and selling is happening. So net, as I mentioned earlier, it's a very feature-rich bot, very user-friendly bot. You can do the configuration the way you want to do it. You can do master trading. You can basically go for copy trading, or you can enable your own strategy, or you can go for a combination. So every facility is there, every feature is there. And utilizing these facilities and features and the accuracy of the bot and the user friendliness of the bot, we are actually able to generate very good returns. So let's go back to our PPT. So I tried to basically explain to you the trading strategies, how the settings are done, how the strategy works, how the buying selling actually works as per the strategies. And we could see that the trading happens as per the settings, and it's quite effective and giving profit even in a bearish market. So again, a summary of the important features. You can define dynamic starting amount. As I showed you, the first amount is 15 and above. You can define that as per your choice, and the buying value also can be changed by using a different multiple. So even if you are starting with 15, it need not buy at $15 value every time. 15 can become 22 or 45 or 10 as per the settings. Sub-bin target. Sub-bin target is basically the sub-selling is going to happen. Through sub-selling, you are able to book profit even in a bearish market. I showed you how to start, stop, pause. This is a very important feature, beautiful feature. It's really a trader's delight. Why this start, stop, pause is important? If you are going for stop margin call or pause buying, it will basically stop buying, but the selling continues. Let's say if you have 100 quantity, it will not buy further, but it will continue to sell. So this is a very, very important and useful feature. So trailing stop loss is there. Again, granular stop loss is there. You can use the trailing stop loss for the entire quantity or for the sub buying. Similarly, you can use callback option also. Callback option is again a very intelligent and beautiful feature. So by the virtue of having all these important and very effective features, the probability of profits and good risk management is available, and good profits are generated in a regular manner, in a consistent manner. Just try to digest what is mentioned here. It's really important. So we already discussed this. It is going to buy and sell at a higher level. How to trade with RoyalQ? As I said, you can create your own strategy, or you can go for copy trading, or you can go for a combination. Quantification, trading earning potential. There is a huge trading earning potential, friends. Here, if you try to put things into perspective, if you are getting a 10% monthly return consistently in a year, your return, your fund can increase 3 times. Let's say you don't get 10%, let's say you get only 5% per month. If you are getting 5% per month consistently, still your fund will almost double in a year's time. So it's a matter of giving time, and it's a matter of compounding, and very good returns are possible. So this bot, obviously, as I mentioned, is not free. It has got a costing, and the costing is $120 fee for 1 year. You are paying only $120 for 1 year, and there is a second costing component, which is profit sharing, on profit. So whenever there is a profit generated, the bot takes a 20% profit share. Let's say your account is having $1,000, there is a profit of $100. On $100, the bot will take 20% fee, that is $20. A simple example. So this is a very nominal cost structure, because the bot of this quality, the kind of features which are available in this bot, and the quality of this bot, the other comparable bots like this in the market, they will charge you $100, $150 per month. Compared to that, RoyalQ bot is charging you only $120 fee for 1 year, and $120 fee for 1 year is for whatever amount you want to use. You use $500, $1,000, $50,000. There is no restriction. You can use whatever amount. The fee remains only $120. There is affiliate income opportunity, as I mentioned earlier. So whenever somebody is subscribing for the service, there is a referral bonus of $30, and on the profit sharing also there is a 20% recurring referral bonus which is available. So this is also good opportunity from the referral income point of view. We will discuss about that in more detail in some other video, but just have this in mind. So you have the choice whether you want to focus only on the trading income, or whether you want to focus on affiliate income, or both the incomes. Whatever your preference is, you have both the options. Trading income, you will definitely get your hands on trading income. Affiliate income also, if you want to work on that, good affiliate income opportunity is also there. So that's it, friend. To set up this bot, to configure this bot, you can contact me on this email ID. I will help you with the sign up procedure. There is a process which needs to be followed for the sign up. API binding, etc. is required. So I will guide you. My team will guide you for that. So you can contact me for sign up procedure, for bot activation, trading strategy setup. We can do the trading strategy setup as per your risk profile. If you want to, whether your risk profile is low risk, high risk, medium risk, as per your risk profile, we can define trading strategies, and you can utilize the benefits of the customized trading strategies. In my Telegram channel, you are most welcome to join my Telegram channel. Here I provide ongoing trade setups and guidance. As per the movement in the market, we sometimes select some good trades, and you can follow these trades and do the trading in your bot. So with all these features, with all these facilities, you are able to do your trading with peace of mind. And whether you are traveling, whether you are on vacation, God forbid, if you are ill, still your trading will continue. Your profits, your earnings will continue. So I think you should start. If you are there in the cryptocurrency industry, then definitely you should go for the RoyalQ bot. And that's it from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you for patiently listening to the entire video. Goodbye. Thank you.